Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. So today guys, we are going into another cable pattern and this is so lovely. I don't want to show you now. I want to, make a little tutorial before showing you what we are going to have. So right now we are going to work with 12 needles. So these are the needles we are going to work with. So this is 12 needles right now. The center zero here is the center zero, so we are having 6 to this side and 6 to this side. These are the 12 needles we are going to be working with for this cable pattern, and this is the way we are going to be working with them. So let's push them back. Let me push them back. I'm going to go ahead and work with the first two center needle. The first two at the center. So this is it. The first two at the center. This is center zero in between them. The first two at the center. Then at the end of the day, after working with this, I'm going to introduce another needle. Then after working with this four, I'm going to introduce another needle. Then after working with the 6 needle, I'm going to introduce another needle. After working with this, I'm going to introduce another needle. That's 10 needles right now. Then after working with this 10 needle, I'm going to introduce the last one, making it 12. So that's how this cable pattern work, and it's going to be one row interval. I'm going to be working with the needles and knit one row. So that's how it's going to be. So let's go ahead and see how this is being worked out. So I'm going to work with this. You can see what we have. Then I'm going to push them back right now. Then the first two needles to work with, they are this. I'm going to make cable twist right now. Then this one go first. Then this come here. Then I'm going to knit one row. One row right there. Then this is the two I just work with. I'm going to introduce another needle by the two side of the work. So this is it. So I'm having 4 needles right now, introducing another 2 needles. So I'm going to work with this right now and come back and work with this. So working with this right now, I'm going to make a cable twist, go here, and what is wrong, and come here. Then I'm going to work with this. You can see that cable twist is now 2. Then that's it. I'm going to knit one row right now. One row right now. That's it. So I've worked with 4 needles right now. See them. Then I'm going to bring another needle at the both side of the work. That's it, making 6. So I'm going to go ahead and work with this first. Twist and twist. Then I'm going to work with this. Twist, and overlap it. So my right hand is going first. This my right hand is going first always. Then that's it. So I've just worked with 6 needles. The next one is going to be 8 needles. So knit one row. Now it's getting tough. It's getting tough. So I'm going to hand knit it. When the pattern is involving more needles, so I have to be pushing them out for easy knitting. So right now I've worked with 6. So I'm going to bring this and this out. Then I'm going to cross them 2 each, work on the 2 each. So crossing this right now. This go and this go. Let's go. Let's go. Then pushing the 8 needles out right now. Mm, so that's it. 8 needle. Then knit 1 row. So that's it. So let me hang little weight on it. That's it. So I've worked with 8 needles right now. So 10th needle here. So bringing them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to be twisting them in 2 needles each. You know. So that's it. Then go. Go. Pushing them out to E position for easy knitting. Then knit 1 row. So that's it. So easy right now. Then this 12th needle right now. So here and here you can see where the work gets to. This is it. So the last needle, number 12 needle. So they are all complete 12 needles right now. So I'm going to go ahead and cross the cable in 2 needles each. This and this. This go first and this cross it just like that. So the last one right now. Then I'm going to push all of them out and knit 1 row. So you have to make sure it ends at the right side of the knitting machine. So that's why it's 12 needles. So you have to be even numbers, guys. So 1 row. That's it. So right now I have to be reducing the needle. You know we work on 12 needles right now. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's the needle we have been working on. So right now I'm going to be reducing the needle and be crossing it in 2 needles each. So I'm going to go and push this back, the last needle at both edge of the work, and push this back. Then work with this. So going ahead to work with this. Cross. Same way of crossing, guys. Cross. Then go ahead. Work on the next 2 needles. Cross and cross. Then cross and cross. Over. Cross and cross. We are now reducing the needle. Before we increase the needle, we start from 2 and increase it to 12. Now we are decreasing right now. So I'm going to push them out. When the numbers are more, to knit that 1 row is very hard. It's a little bit hard. So you have to be pushing your needle to D or E position to knit that particular 1 row. So we are working on 10 needles right now. We have worked on 10 needles right now. This is 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10 needles. So the next one is going to be 8 needles, reducing the needles right now. So knitting 1 row. Then I'm going to work on 8 needles right now. So this is 1. So this is 8 needles right now. I've dropped the last one by the side, the 10th needle. So I'm going to cross it. Remember we are working on 8 needles. So the next one is going to be 6 needles because we are reducing the needles. That's it, guys. Push them to E position and knit one row knitted. Then right now working on 6 needles. This is 3 and 3. Then work this, 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 and this. Then push it a little bit out. Then knit one row. That's it. Right now working on 4 needles. 2, 3, 4. Reducing it to 4 needles right now. Making a cable cross. 1, 2, 2. Then knit one row. Then we are working on 2 where we start from. This is where we start from. Then cross it. So after crossing, you can decide to knit, 6 row, 4 rows, 10 rows. You have to be even number for your carriage to be here. So I'm going to knit 10 rows. So this is it right now, to knit 10 rows after crossing the last 2 needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it. That's the gap in between the cable crossing. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to the center, the first center needle crossing right now, and I'm going to be doing this to the 12 needles. So knit one row. This is the first 2. Then I'm going to introduce this and work with them. Knit one row. Then this is what I work with right now. So I'm going to bring another needle back to work with this, twist and twist, twist and twist, twist and twist. Push them out, knit one row. That's it. We have 6 needle here. That's it. Bringing this out to join. Go here, cross the next 2 needle crossing. So working on 8 needles right now. That's it. Push them out, knit one row. Okay, so bringing this to join them, you can see that V here. So making it 10 needles right now. Making it 10 needles right now. So working on the 10 needles right now. So go here, work, work. Knit one row. That's then bringing the number 12 needles at both sides, bringing the last needle at both side out right now. Then I'm going to twist, twist, the third twisting, the fourth one right now, fifth, and the sixth one right now, making 12 needles and knit one row right now. So that's it. Right now I'm going to be reducing. So right now, leaving this out of the work with 10 needles right now. So this is 10 needles right now. So I'm going to twist. So making 5 cable twists right now. knit one row. So making 8 needles right now, twist. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, the needles are now 8. So that's how I'm going to be reducing them. After now is going to be 6. Twist, 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 twist. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. So the next one is going to be 3 set of 2 needles. So knit one row. So it's going to be this, this, this. That is reducing 1 needle at both sides. So go on. I'm making cable twist right now. So this is 6 needle. So it's going to turn to 4 needles after knitting one row. So having 4 needles right now. So twist and twist, then knit one row. Then right now we have 2, which is the end. So twist and overlap it. Then I'm going to knit 10 rows as gap in between the cable twist. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go to needle 7 here. Needle 7 at both sides. Needle 7, because this is 12. So at the end of the 12th needle, I'm going to unravel the stitch and knit it up. You can see the crossing right now.